Hi, I'm Dr. John Barras, a cosmetic dentist here in Houston, Texas, and I wanted to talk to you today about smile makeovers. So there's really two things that you want to consider when you're choosing a dentist for your smile makeover. One is the obvious, the aesthetics. You need to find a dentist that is trained in treating aesthetics, veneers, crowns, that sort of thing, and multiple years of after dental school training. The other thing you need to consider is function with your bite. What you may not have really delved into is the condition of your teeth. If your teeth are flat, if they're worn, if they're broken down, if you're breaking existing fillings or crowns or veneers, you're probably not in a good bite position. So you really need to find a dentist that has been trained in function and aesthetics. And the reason this is so important is that if you have aesthetics done, veneers, crowns, that sort of thing, and you're not in a good balanced bite position, then your cosmetic smile makeover is not going to last nearly as long. So for instance, if you're breaking down your existing natural teeth into the bite position that it's in, you can expect that your smile makeover without addressing a good proper bite position is not going to last as long either. So that being said, I have 9 years of training in cosmetic and neuromuscular dentistry. We use at our office computerized analysis to get the bite position in a good spot. So before moving forward with your smile makeover, you definitely want to make sure that you're in a good bite position. So your investment, you protect that, it lasts a long time. So at this point, I really want to go into why you're looking up the information for a smile makeover, which is the aesthetics. At our office, you'll call the office, we'll answer the phone, we'll have you in. You'll personally meet with me and tell me what you're looking for, what your concerns are, what your goals are. We'll take photos of your teeth. We'll take models of your teeth. We'll send the models to the lab, and you and I will tell the lab exactly the smile design that you want. We'll look at our own before and after pictures of patients. We'll look at before and after pictures of patients in magazines, and we'll get exactly the size, shape, and everything that you want. So that is super critical that you're 100% happy with your smile makeover. If there's any issues with color, shade, any little nuances like that, our lab is one of the top labs in the country, and we can make that happen. So after that first appointment, the lab will do a mock-up on models of your teeth. You'll come back. We'll be able to prepare your teeth and make temporary or provisional teeth that you get to wear and utilize. You'll be in those for a few days, and you'll come back and let me know, hey, I really like this, or maybe there's some nuances that I want to change in this temporary phase before we try on the permanent veneers, crowns, so that you really are winding down exactly what you want before we ever do anything permanent. And then the last phase is, now that we've worked the whole bite and the smile makeover to exactly how you want it, then we try in the porcelain. And the porcelain veneers or crowns will be the same size, shape exactly as we've as our preliminary mock-ups. And at that point, you're just trying in just to make sure that you like the color pretty much and anything like that. And once you're happy, then we cement them in, we check your bite, maybe have a couple of bite adjustments after that, and you're good to go at that point. So if you have any questions, please give us a call, and we'll get you in for a complimentary consultation